Okay, nandito tayo yun sa Bel Air South. Alright, dito po sa Anyana, Antoltansa. So mag-update tayo ng ating mga clients na bumili ng property dito sa Anyana, Bel Air South. So ito yung pinaka-entrance gate. And ganito yung kaganda yung ating community. No? Dito, meron tayong ready for occupancy na New York Model House, Tokyo Model House, and Paris Model House. No? So medyo mabilis po ang selling ng property dito dahil overlooking, no? May view ka dito ng mountain at saka may view ka dito ng ridge ng Tagaytay. Katabi mo ay the clubhouse area. At malalaki ang units dito po sa Bel Air South. Alright, so ngayon, titingnan natin yung dalawang ready for occupancy na New York Model House dito po sa sa Bel Air South. Right, yung ating unit ay nandito lang siya. Alright, makita niyo yung main road, no? Shout out kay Ma'am Plinky. Ay ma'am, nasa Canada po, no, yung kliyente natin na bumili ng property dito sa Anyana. No? Ito na yung binabayaran ninyong property, no? Ito na yung mukha nung pangako na inyo pong narinig before 2019. And right now, ang dami ng mga bahay, di ba? Okay, titingnan natin yung ready for occupancy natin dito na dalawang unit na New York Model House. Alright, over to my left side. Ayan, dito tayo sa Pioma. Alright, Pioma? Poma? Okay. Correct me if I'm wrong, no? Dito tayo sa area na ito. So, nandito yung ating ready for occupancy. Alright. Okay. Ito po yung mayroong, yung mayroong bike. Ayan. Sa sandal. Tama ba? Ay, dito nga po. Sandali na lang. Ayan. Buksan mo nga yung bahay natin. At iikutan natin yung atin pong ready for occupancy na New York Model House. Alright guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Bel Air South. Okay, ito yung ating pinakabahay. No, this is ready for occupancy with a total lot area of 132 square meters. But before that, no, dito sa loob ng Anyana, Antoltansa, we have Shuttle's Best Coffee, and then Ken Rogers, plus yung ating clubhouse area. Ang lapad ng kalsada natin because this is the PD 957 of property. Ibig sabihin, this is a high-end property. And enclosed fence, may sariling guard, at very accessible. Ang ganda ng area. And then, hindi ka na mag-aantay because this is ready for occupancy. Total contract price of 10,676,000 pesos. 15% down payment. Pag binayaran siya within the 30 days, may discount. Get message made today. And then once binayaran mo siya ng buo, then give us 30 days, we will turn over the property. Now, this is the parking area. So this one can accommodate ng 3 sedan. What do you think? 3 kotse. No? Kasha? 1, 2, 3 kasi ang lot mo hanggang doon. So this is a modern house. Let's go. 10.6 million pesos, but before ang turnover, no, we will do the refurbish. So your porch area, ito yung pinaka main door. This is steel panel door. So magtatagal, maglo-long last at matagal nyo siyang magagamit, di ba? Then this is the ground floor area. So as you can see, smart layout, very open. So you have the living and the dining area. Then you have straight counter. Meron ka ditong first room or bedroom number 1 dito sa ground level where pwede siyang i-develop or dito nyo dalhin nyo inyong mga lolo or guest room. What do you think?
Yes.
Guest area, di ba? Then, dito sa ilalim ng hagdanan, so you have space power in. You can add storage or built-in cabinets. Then, dito sa ilalim, so you have a common shower room. By the way, the floor area is 130.35 square meters floor area. Lot area is 132 square meters. Then sa likod, meron kang 2 meters setback intended for the future improvements once you are in the possession of the property. So this is the actual turnover. So, pwede ka maglagay ng fence. Pero ang maganda dito na during the house construction, pwede mong makita yung bahay mo kung paano siya ginagawa. Alright, yung value ng money mo, no? Ano ba yung in exchange doon sa binayaran mo? Now, tingnan natin. Sa itaas, dahil you have 3 rooms and 2 bathroom. Okay, let's go. So, you have a wide staircase here. Nice landing, high ceilings. And this is the landing area. So, you have 3 bedrooms dito sa itaas. This is the first bedroom and then the corridor. So this is the first bedroom. So you have 2 window. And then ito yung ating magandang community dahil you have the view of Tagaytay. Then yung ating pong partition ay solid cement. Ayan. And then dito po sa likod, sa taas by the way, you have a common shower room. So you have a wash area, water closet, and a shower space, no? Then the corridor area. This is the 3rd room. Right, 3rd room. So you have the view of the neighborhood at ang ganda ng community natin. Then, this is the master bedroom area where can accommodate a California king size bed. Of course, the master bedroom area, meron siyang shower. So you have wash area, water closet, and a shower space. Of course, you have awning window. So, anya na ang Dansa, the advantage of this is very accessible going to Metro Manila, a premium community with world-class and massive amenities. At from here, no, kita-kita mo na yung the Maple Grove. Ayan, yan yung Maple Grove, which you have easy access sa commercial business district. In the near future, napakaganda ng value ng iyong investment. Alright, so aside from this one, we have a ready for occupancy again na New York model house, which is right over there. Ayun yung isa, no? Ito is facing the sunrise or the morning sun. And then this one is facing the northwest side. Ito siya. And dito sa area na yan, no? Yung likod ng bahay na yan, andyan lang yung ating amenities na gagawin. So, reimagine, no? Once nandito ka na nakatira, imagine mo yung amenities mo ay among lapit lang, di ba? Just across, di ba? Okay, so this one is available sa bank financing. If you do cash, developer will give you hanggang 10% discount. Diba? So if you're interested or anyone interested, message us today on the numbers visible on the screen. So this ready for occupancy is selling in the market for 10,676,000 pesos. Available sa bank financing for 15% down payment, 85% payable hanggang 25 years sa RCBC Bank. Right? So kung meron kayong mga kaibigan, kakilala ka mag-anak, still looking at property here in the Philippines, guys, share our videos sa kanila. Thank you so much and God bless everybody.